What I wanna get me opinionated peeps? So people, though Major Hype's situation may be taking the spotlight, Jacure is still not in the clear yet because a lot of people still talking about it even though it's slightly fading away. But, people still are talk about it in between Major Hype saga too. But anyway, make we address what go on with Jacure. So remember, a little video came out about, some women being thrown out of Jacure's house and things like that. And it, upset a lot of persons because Jacure was actually talking about, physically harming people. Well, it, not sit too well with a lot of females and even some men not agree with the things them where Jacure say. You understand? And to make matters even worse, the ladies came out and explained in their own words or we don't know if it's true or a lie, but them say the reason why Jacure got upset. And when some people hear about it, they must say, wait, what kind of thing that Rasta no fi mingling and them thing there? But, me nah have nothing to say about that part there. Anyway, Foota Hype, you don't know, say, him them call the viral king. Forward out and him a go address this whole thing, yeah. Foota Hype say, yo, Cure, you need to cut off the locks and, start back fresh because, you nah live the pure Rasta life, brother. People, make we hear what Foota Hype I say right.
What's she name again? I don't remember she name. But she DM me. Me have a conversation about her when I look me see she DM me. Zin? And when she DM me, she said everybody had tell her to link me. So she has said, me say, alright, well, me make her join the live. She has said she's shy. She don't want to join live. So me I say shy. What do you mean shy? Oh, if you're shy when me say if you want a story to be heard, then you have to make sure tell a story. Then people, me just be as real as possible. Those two girls are not cute. Well, me don't know who I want to call cute. But in my eyes, them average, a regular girl them there. You understand me? I say, Quickie Small, she name, yeah. In my eyes, a regular. Yeah, Nikki, she show me the screenshot. Where you tell her to link me. See? In my eyes, them girl are average girl, regular girl. Them then are where we classify it as hot girl. You understand me I say? So, what me I say is now, how you end up in that predicament there? People, I've been in that situation where woman come check me and then she don't want to give me a front and me decide say, if you're not giving me a front, me pissed off right now, I don't want to see you, but I will never leave you stranded. I will never kick you out in an hours and a night. You come from foreign, you're there Jamaica, you don't know nobody. Oh, me if you do that. Oh, I could never do that, dog. Me can't think about that. Oh, me, dog, me will carry you to the airport. Me will drop you anywhere you want to go. But me I make sure me drop you safe and sound. What you mean the man spending money and want it back? And him send for them. If him did say, yo, I want him to come, fly in and fuck me. The girl would better come. Not junglist. Me not innocent. What you talk about? It's not about innocent or being guilty. I said, I've been in situations where girls come and don't give me any vagina. And me carry them at them yard. Me drop them off safely. Not damage them, not beat them because them not give me a front. Me will cuss and go on body, yes. And say, girl, I waste my time and rare. Come me drop her a yard. And me I drop her a yard. He was saying not even him cousin them can drop them off. That means you hold them hostage. That's an abduction, brother. You understand what I say? Understand what I say? Someone just a reason to create confusion. A logics me a talk about. Make the girl them go on with them a go bridging. The girl them a crying and pack up them bag and yeah, cuss. But if you not get back your money now, where the girl them forget your money if you give back? Now you buy the ticket, sir? Now you buy the ticket them? So where the girl them will get the money from for give right now? When you run them out, them never come and plan say you go throw them out. Or you go want back money. You never tell them say you lend them money for buy ticket. You never tell them that. And the girl clearly say, if Jackie did just wait, make them go party and all have vibes, and then them would have give him the front willingly. Willingly, dog. Willingly. So why would you treat them like slave? Yo, that come like you treat them like dog. It don't look good, brother. It don't look good. I mean, I care who want pick up fear about money. This is not about blood clot money. It's not about money, Reggie. All if you're flying the girl and she don't want to get in front of your money burn up, and you wrong for fly her in, brother. All you do, carry her back safely, make she go where she go, and no call her back. Block her off of your phone. You will make back that money then. I'll show you how much of a mange Jackie is and how mean him is. On the video, Jackie gonna be like, yo, you have my AC on from morning and the door open. You think you could have gone to a hotel and have people AC around all day? Jackie, are you fucking dumb? Which hotel you can go and then tell you like have AC? Where? Which hotel? Which hotel you can go and then tell, yeah, man, you know how much we have to go pay for my light bill now? Dog, them are some petty shit, dog. That has some petty shit. You're mange, brother. And you're rich. That will show you how mean you is. People feel look into them thing there. As a Rasta man. What kind of mangy state, what kind of mangy, dirty style that? Ding dang, that say some dirty style you have up. So the girl will lock off the AC and burn up in her house. Because they don't want to pay a light bill. You know, sister, something wrong with you, man. And these things when me I say to you, Jackie, because I know you're going to watch out for somebody else's phone. Because I know artists are full of ego. These are just to show you that you have problems. You might not realize that you have problems. And people around you might not tell you that you have problems. You're a mange. Your meanness. Sometimes I wonder why them money will get rich so mean and wicked. Because 3 artists we know, when it comes to meanness, Jackie and 2 other were are the meanest thing. Zine, what want to do? Afraid for broke back? Or what making you so mean? What making you so mean? Me not get it. You go worry with the girl them about AC. The man say, only there from morning have me AC on. So Rasta, me don't understand. The girl them fi burn up. The girl them fi stay in the room and burn up. The man go as far as say, you think you can go to a hotel and have people AC around all day? I know hotel you go, Jackie. A fuck shop. And most one of them look a Gretna Green place there. Where you pay for your hour and the man say, yo, turn off the AC your hour up in. I can't real hotel you talk about. I can't real hotel you talk. Because me travel the world just like you. I mean, I know which part. People can come knock your door. Excuse me, Mr. Hype, can you please turn off your AC? Where? Which part? Oh. Oh no. Oh, who won't knock your door? All the people in here say we go hotel all the while. That ever, Sample King, that ever happened to you at one hotel? Where they knock you up and say, Mr. King, sir, you've been having on the AC too long. Make me not understand. That ever show you say this man here, something wrong with him. I mean, have Jackie. Big man thing, me vex with you. From when you say all sound man fi go suck them mother my youth. I'll know you not apologize for that in a dog. You not apologize for that I'll know in a brother. Remember from this say your career take a dip in. Remember say you have classic songs we still play. But then man them now play a new song them you don't realize. You don't realize. Brother, you have to look in yourself and alright. Me I go say this. I mean, I say this out of aggression. I mean, I say this out of anger. I mean, I say this for be nickel your career and nothing at all. I say this because this is how I honestly feel. And it's the right thing to do. You need to start go counseling. For act better. And observe when you have the foolishness. Zine? And then you need to cut off your locks. Zine? Listening now. This is not a disrespect. This is just the truth. You need to cut off your locks. Replenish. Internally. Spiritually. Emotionally. Replenish. Cleanse yourself. Go back and go find the root of Rasta where you did start with. Follow back the format of Rastafari. Come off of your high temple where you're there. Come back to reality. And grow back your locks. Your spirit and the order now go together. The things them where you do and the way Rasta things supposed to go, you now uphold the order, you defile, brother. So, my best advice that for you, brother. My best advice for you. You see me? That me need for you do. And that is not a disrespectful thing. It's just the order of Rastafari. When you defile, you have to cut off and start fresh. You see me?
Whoa, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable.